Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to talk about how to sell shoes on StockX without the box. First, go to StockX.com and review their selling guidelines. Check the requirements for selling shoes. StockX only accepts products that are new, unworn, and in the original box. If your shoes do not have the original box, you will not be able to list them. Consider other platforms that may allow sales without the box, such as eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Always keep your original packaging in the future to avoid selling restrictions. Important note, you cannot sell shoes on StockX without the original box. This is a strict requirement and applies to all shoe listings. And that's it. That's how to sell shoes on StockX without the box. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.